This is a brand new 2014 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, a premium sound system, side impact airbags, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, external temperature display, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.